Hello friends, we are Gentlewick, sanding machine manufacturer, sanding solution supplier. Today, I'd like to do an overview of our planer sander. Planer sander is specially designed for cutting and sanding, which is good for heavy calibration of glued panels, solid wood panels, or bamboo panels, where we are needing to remove 2 mm of materials and finish sanding at grit 180 in a single pass. This machine is configured with 3 working units. The first working unit is a planer head. There are 477 pieces knives assembled on this ruler. Planer head is mainly for cutting and can remove 1 mm waste time. For the planer head, the press system is complete with one line anti-kickback fingers, double press rulers, and the segmented press shoes. The segmented press shoes are for giving even pressure across the machine. After the planer head, we assemble another solid press shoe and a press ruler to control the working pieces feeding. Due to this design, we see no snipping or dipping on the leading or trailing edge of the panels. The second working unit is a steel ruler diameter 240 mm, complete with tension system, oscillating system, safety system, and dust collecting system. Steel ruler is mainly for rough sanding. We usually assemble grit 80 abrasive belt on this working unit. This steel ruler is with eccentric shaft. The operator can adjust the ruler position by turning the eccentric shaft through this worm gearbox. It's simple and stable. The third working unit is a combination head, outfitted a rubber ruler and a sanding pad. The rubber ruler diameter is 210 mm, and the sanding pad is with dovetail design, easy to pull out or push in. The operator can turn this hand wheel to adjust the sanding pad position up or down. The combination head is mainly for fine sanding. We usually assemble grit 180 abrasive belt on this working unit. The tension ruler diameter 176 mm, tension cylinder size 90 by 50 mm. This is a heavy-duty design to ensure the tension stability and the belt oscillation is smooth. The belt oscillation is controlled by banner sensors, which are made in USA, can work perfectly even in a dusty environment. Behind the machine, we can see the brush working unit. Its function is for cleaning the panels after sanding. There is another press ruler inside this cover. Its function is for the working pieces smooth out feeding. The feeding motor combined helical gear reducer. The motor is a variable frequency motor. The output is not affected by the feeding speed, and the continuous and stable power output is also an important factor of sanding precision. The feed table is welded with steel plate and steel tubes. The plate thickness is 16 mm. The steel tubes are densely supported on the bottom side of the plate. The plate surface is fine machined on CNC machining center to achieve mirror finishing. This working table combined with the rubber conveyor belt can carry the working pieces through the machine with high precision and high stability. In front of the machine is the control panel. The start and stop button is with light indicator. You start the working unit, the light will be on to remind you the working state of the machine for your safety attention. This thickness controller is made in Taiwan, brand Tech, can do accurate measurement with stable quality and longer service life. The emergency stop button is for stopping the machine immediately when emergency. We use international brand electrics for our machine. You can see the Schneider contactors, Schneider breakers, and the Schneider inverter and Delta PLC. Thanks for your watching. If you have any other request in sanding machines or sanding job, please contact us directly. We are Gently.